Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'll be showing you how to draw Godzilla versus Bloop. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with Godzilla versus Bloop, let's begin with Godzilla right here. So I'm going to begin with his eyes. So let's begin by making a line that's just going to kind of go down, and then we're going to bring it back. Then let's make a line that's going to go down and up. Let's draw a few lines underneath the eye. Then let's bring this line back and we'll add a couple little lines behind it. Next, let's draw a line that's going to come up, and we're going to curve this back for the top of Godzilla's head. Then we're going to bring this line down and kind of curve it around here. Let's draw a line here and a line here for Godzilla's nose. Then let's bring this line back to here. Next, let's bring this line down. Then we're going to bring this up to here for the mouth. We'll draw a line back here with a couple small lines just for some details. Then let's put a row of sharp teeth right across the top. And we'll do a row right across each side on the bottom. Let's do a line right here. And then let's make a line that's just going to go down. And then we're going to bring this around, make it kind of bumpy for the jaw. Next, I'm going to bring this line back and kind of make it come to a point and down. And then I'm just going to do that kind of same thing right around here. Next, for the neck, let's make some lines that are just going to go over and then curve up. Now, starting here, let's draw a little line that's just going to kind of curve down for Godzilla's shoulder. Then we're going to make a line that's just going to curve here for the arm. We're going to bring this line over and then up here. Then we're going to make this line kind of come up and down with a point for one of his claws. We're going to bring another line that's going to be really pointy out here. We'll do one here, and then we'll do one more here and kind of curve it in. I want to make a few more lines, and then I'm just going to bring this line over and then up to here for the arm. Next, up here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of curve up and then down for one of Godzilla's claws. We'll do another one here and then one right here. Now, right here, we're going to start off with Bloop's face. So let's begin by making a circle shape for an eye. Then we're going to make a line that's going to come down and kind of curve around. We'll make a couple small little curves right there around the eye. Next, we'll make a little line that's just going to kind of come up and then over. And we'll kind of bring this line to here. Next, I'm going to bring this line out and then kind of curve it down. Then I'm going to bring this line over to here. And we're going to go right around here for that big mouth. Next, let's go ahead and add some sharp pointed teeth right along the top. And then we'll do that same thing right across the bottom too. I'm going to bring this line down and then around to here. And then let's go ahead and draw this line kind of around, and then we're just going to curve it up. We'll make two small curves up here for the nose of Bloop. Next, let's make some big kind of curved lines right here. And then I'm just going to make a few more kind of curved lines that are just going to kind of come up. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's just going to kind of come up. We're going to go down and then back in with a couple little lines down here for the flipper. Then I'm going to curve this to here. And then we're going to make a few more lines. They're just going to kind of come right off the paper. I want to make some lines kind of curve here. Then we're going to make this kind of come down and then around to here and then kind of off the paper again. Kind of a really big drawing to keep all on one sheet. Next, let's work on some more of Godzilla. I'm going to leave some kind of like broken lines kind of right around here to kind of shape out where his back is going to be. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to start making some kind of jagged little spikes on here to start off with his little dorsal plates. Then I'm going to start another row of these sharp kind of jagged little dorsal plates all along here. And we're just going to kind of fill these up around there. Then I'm going to make some even larger ones right around here. And we're just going to kind of put these all in here, just kind of filling up all that little area. Then I'm going to put some smaller ones right along the head. Next, right here, actually, let's start over here. I'm going to make a couple more little kind of spikes coming out. And then right here, I'm going to make Godzilla's tail. I'm just going to make a long line. It's just going to kind of curve out. We're going to bring this around and back up to here. And then we're just going to put some more of these kind of sharp little dorsal plates or fins all along here. Next, let's come in here and add some different details. So let's work on Godzilla. Let's make like some lines right around here. Let's go ahead and make some broken lines kind of right around the mouth and a couple lines right around the eye. We'll make some little curved lines here on the nose. And we'll just put a couple more little kind of broken lines coming down here. Let's make some little curved lines by the arm. And then some little broken lines are just going to kind of come right around here. We'll make even some broken lines kind of coming down. And we're going to make some little lines kind of coming across. We'll put some claws onto Godzilla's fingers and a few little extra lines on there for some details. Just make it look a little bit more realistic. Kind of put some broken lines kind of right around here on Godzilla's face. And then we'll even add some kind of like little curvy broken lines onto some of these little dorsal plates and everything. We'll just kind of put these all around here. And we're just going to kind of put these here. We're going to make some little curves right around Godzilla's tail. And some extra little lines on here. We're going to make some lines on Bloop's flippers over here. Some extra little lines. And then some broken lines onto the tail. We'll make some little lines kind of coming right around the mouth here. And some lines kind of coming down the body as well. And there you go. There is your drawing of Godzilla versus Bloop. Now, you definitely have to let me know in the comments who you think would win this big epic battle. And if you'd like to see some more drawings like this, definitely let me know in the comments. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.